All welcome again to LR Academy for Competitive Exams, this time for yet another post. We hope this post will be of utmost importance and it will be very much useful to the biology, those who have taken biology group in higher secondary level and those who are about to take, and more importantly to the outgoing students, those who have taken biology as one of the subject along with the physics and chemistry. To study any medicinal course or any course under biology, physics, chemistry, and biology are the mandatory subjects. So, two groups are being taken for consideration. One is physics, chemistry, maths, along with biology. Second one, that is a pure science group, physics, chemistry, biobotany, biozoology. Now, before moving into the courses list, I want to spill some new courses. Yes, for which what many of you are eager to hear it. BSc in Medical Imaging course. It is off late a new course. BSc in Cardiovascular Technology. BSc in Biomedical Engineering. BSc in Audiology or Speech Therapy. It is an off late a new course. Now we go to the professional courses. Degrees offered under these branches: medical and paramedical courses, Indian medicinal courses, veterinary courses, nursing courses, physiotherapy courses, pharmacy courses, allied health science courses, agriculture, food technology, and fisheries courses. Now moving to medical course, primarily MBBS, that is Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. The total years of study is 5.5 years. The entrance exams conducted to join this course is NEET, JIPMER, AIMS, that is All India Institute of Medical Sciences, the Armed Force Medical College, that is Army Medical College at Pune, conducts entrance examination for MBBS course. With respect to our state of Tamil Nadu, there are 21 state medical colleges and 26 private medical colleges. Again, I repeat, 21 state medical colleges and 26 private medical colleges. With respect to NEET, what score we can expect to get a MBBS seat? Based on the previous year's study, we should get a minimum of 560 plus NEET score. We should get a minimum of 560 plus NEET score. Yes. With the cost, the total cost for the entire course of study, that is what 5.5 years, 5.5 years is, varies from, in India, it varies from 30,000 to 8 lakhs approximately to study in a government medical college. 30,000 to 8 lakhs in a government medical college. Yes. Now moving to the next, paramedical courses. BDS, Bachelor of Dental Surgeon. The number of years of study is 5. The various entrance exams are conducted, such as NEET, and Dr. Harvansh Singh Judge Institute of Dental Science, situated in Chandigarh, Punjab, also conducts an entrance examination for BDS. Yes, here the total cost will be around, to study BDS in a government college will be around 15 to 20,000 per year. 15 to 20,000 per year. To get into BDS, you need to have a NEET score of approximately minimum 450 to 460. You need to have a NEET score of minimum 450 to 460. With respect to the state of Tamil Nadu, there is one government dental college in Chennai and 25 private colleges. One government college and 25 private college to study BDS in the state of Tamil Nadu. Moving to Indian medical courses. There are various medical courses such as BSMS. The expansion is Bachelor of Siddha Medicine and Surgery, BAMS, Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery. BHMS, Bachelor of Homeopathy Medicine and Surgery. BNYS, Bachelor of Naturopathy and Yoga Science. Yes, coming to BSMS, there are 2 government colleges and 52 private colleges offering this course in the state of Tamil Nadu. 2 government colleges and 52 private. Coming to BAMS, 1 government college and 6 private colleges. BHMS, 1 government college and 9 private colleges. BNYS, 1 government college and 4 private colleges. With the government colleges being situated at Arumbakam in Chennai, also in Tirunelveli, in Madurai, and in Nagarkoil, that is Kattur and Nagarkoil, offers what? This type of courses. And there is another course called BUMS, Bachelor of Unani Medicine and Surgery. Bachelor of Unani Medicine and Surgery. The total period of study for all these 5 courses is 5.5 years. How to apply? We have to apply via National Institute of Homeopathy, National Institute of Ayurvedic Health Education and Research Council of India. Yes. Now, moving to the next slide, veterinary courses. Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry, that is BVSC and AH. The duration is 5 years. The entrance exam conducted as All India Pre-Veterinary Test, also conducted by Tamil Nadu Veterinary and Animal Science University, Tanuvas. There are 4 government colleges located at Madhavaram Milk Colony, Namakkal, Vartanadu and Tirunelveli, which offers these courses. BSc Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry. Okay, moving to the next slide, nursing course. There are variety of nursing courses: BSc Nursing, BSc Honours in Nursing, BSc Post Basic Nursing. The duration of all these courses is 4 years. Diploma in Nursing and Midwifery, the duration is 3 years. Diploma in Ayurvedic Nursing and Pharmacy, the duration is 2.5 years. The various entrance exams conducted are AIMS, JIPMER, the Army Medical College, that is the Armed Forces Medical College and Pre-Medical Test Institute at Pune, Health Education and Research Council of India also conducts entrance exam for joining these courses. You may log in to their respective websites regarding this. The next slide is regarding physiotherapy courses. There were various courses offered under this category is Bachelor of Physiotherapy 4.5 years, Bachelor of Prosthetics and Orthotics 4 years, Diploma in Prosthetics and Orthotics 2 years, Diploma in Physiotherapy 2 years. The entrance exam for joining these courses are conducted by All India Institute of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation, Mumbai, which is with its headquarters at Mumbai, Health Institute and Research Council of India, Government Institute of Rehabilitation Medicine, Indian Paramedical Institute and College of Physiotherapy, Chennai. It is also in Coimbatore, Salem, Madurai and Tirunelveli. Government College of Physiotherapy, Trichy. Dr. Tamil Nadu, Dr. MGR Medical University also conducts entrance examination for joining these courses. Physiotherapy, you may log into their respective website for more details. Yes. Pharmacy courses. There are various pharmacy courses. B.Pharm, that is Bachelor of Pharmacy. It is a 4 years course. Diploma in Pharmacy, 2-year course. Of late, many are interested in this course, Doctor in Pharmacy, that is Pharm D. The entrance examination for this it is applied via BITSAT, that is Bilani, and also in Hyderabad, admits students for this courses. Tamil Nadu Dr. MGR Medical University also offers this course and the students are admitted into it. The website is www.tnmgrmu.ac.in. Again I repeat, www.tnmgrmu.ac.in. You may log into the respective websites for more details. Moving to the next type of course, allied health science courses. Yes, many of us are not aware of this type of courses. That is Bachelor of Occupational Therapy (BOT), Bachelor of Medical Record Science (BMRSC), Bachelor of Allied Health Science. That is, the duration of the courses is 4.5 years. Close to 25 degree courses are available, out of which I have just taken a few. BSc Accident and Emergency Care Technology, BSc in Cardiac Technology, BSc in Dialysis Technology, BSc Bachelor of Science in Radiotherapy Technology. Also, diploma courses are also online. For the duration is 2 years, and certificate courses ranging from 6 months to 1 year are also available under this category, allied health science courses. Moving to agricultural courses. BSc Agriculture, BSc Agricultural Management, BSc Horticulture, and BSc Forestry. Apart from it, BTech in Bioinformatics, BTech in Agricultural Engineering, BTech in Biotechnology, BTech in Horticulture, BTech in Food Process. These are the courses available under the heading Agricultural Courses. The duration regarding BTech courses is 4 years, and BSc it is 3 years. Also, Diploma in Agriculture Horticulture is also available. You may log into Tamil Nadu Agricultural University website, that is www.tnau.ac.in, for more details regarding this. Moving to the last heading, Food Technology and Fisheries courses. BSc in Food Technology, BSc in Poultry Management, BSc in Production Technology, BSc in Dairy Technology, BSc in Food Processing, BSc in Food Science and Technology, BSc in Fisheries Science, BSc in Aqua Science, BSc in Fisheries Engineering, and Nautical Science. These courses are available. You may look into the website www.icar.org.in, www.tnfu, that is Fisheries University, fu.ac.in, www.niftc.a.in, that is National Institute of Fisheries Technology, National Institute of Fisheries Technology, and Tamil Nadu Fisheries University. There is one university near Ponneri in Tiruvallur district, which offers a variety of fisheries studies. Now, Ella Academy for Competitive Exams thanks all its viewers for viewing this post. Dear viewers, kindly subscribe our channel by clicking the red button. Thank you for viewing this post. Thank you.